gonna talk about push-ups. There's a big difference between doing a push-up in a weight lifting kind of a way and also for joint health. So typically when you think about doing a push-up, most people are told to take your chest all the way to the floor. This is something that's gonna irritate your rotator cuff. It's a position of instability. So if you have crazy, overly mobile shoulders or things like that, or arthritis in your shoulders, that can be really uncomfortable and also start to irritate things over time. If you're not sure if your shoulders are really overly mobile, normal is here. So if you can go higher than that, that would be considered overly mobile. So that might be something to consider when you do this. So some things to look at when you're doing push-ups is when you finish at the bottom, you want to stop with your chest level with the shoulders. So that's about here as opposed to way down here. The other thing you want to be careful of is that your shoulders don't rise and they also don't come together in the back. You want your shoulder blades separated on your rib cage and they should stay that way as you do the push-up. Most people kind of collapse into it. The other thing you want to be mindful of is that you're using your core so that you're holding like a plank position. A lot of people kind of arch into their push-up, which is really bad for your back. So Dom here is going to help us out a little bit because I don't do push-ups. So we're going to start with just a regular push-up, but only stopping with the chest right at the elbow height. So we're gonna come here and then he's gonna drop down and then good, and then come back up and we're just gonna stop there. So now he's gonna do one where he's gonna show you bringing the shoulders up because we don't wanna do that. So you want your shoulders down, start with your shoulders down, push up towards me. Ooh. Yep, and now you gotta keep this as you go. Yep, so he's gonna lose it here. You can see the shoulder blades coming together and the shoulders coming up, come back up. Yep, and now push up towards me. Yep, and keep it as you go. Yep, and then coming back down. Yep, and then lastly, we're gonna lose the belly. So we're gonna come up and then we're gonna kind of let the belly hang a little bit and you can see that nasty arch in there and that's something that we don't wanna do. Thank you, sir. So that's all for our push-ups today. Hopefully that will help you out to be able to do this a little bit more comfortably.